Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain my experiment number 7, which is like CRC, like circle redundancy check. CRC is like a error detection technique used to computer networks to detect errors, transmitted data, and concepts. In this concept are in data communications and importing pandas and numpys everything and which data is sent from receiver sender to receiver and there is a chance to errors due to the noise or CRC helps to detect whether data received is correct or not. Okay. Next, CRC sender adds extra bits called as CRC bits, and these bits are generated using the binary divisions. It received sides and same division is performed. And every time if reminder is zero, no error detection. If reminder is non-zero, error detected. And like how to explain, like I will explain. See, take a some data set like CSV and append zeros equal to length is user is equal to -1. Perform XOR gate with generator polynomial and remains obtained in all CRC. And if remainder is zero, that is correct. If remainder not zero means it's not correct. And like that, and we come to the coordinates. We're seeing here importing pandas and importing libraries and everything. And see here import pandas as a PD and import numpy as an NP and matplot PLT. And this you can and all all libraries are imported. In this last one, I gave live all libraries are imported. Yes, all libraries are imported. And in this like using import libraries for handling classifications and JSON NP is used to for Navy based algorithms like using call presentation complex. I also don't know. Load dataset and DF yeah, lo- DF df is equal to pd dot read SCV and df admission CSV because I gave admission as a data set and read data set from the file. It will read data set from the size and it will give the shape of the size and what is the size and df dot and store the data fields. Okay, now this one it's like splits figures in and targets and like x y. I'm dividing into x and y. It will divide into x as inputs and y as a output sketch. And x is contains independent values and y is contains dependent values. And here filling missing values and it checks the what is the missing values and it will fill the missing values. And train test values. It will train and test everything. It divides some data into a training and testing sets and use it to evaluate the model performance and also train the model. It creates a Nego-based model and then probability pattern from data and prediction. Prediction model dot predict. It predicts the class label for a test data and based on the probability calculations and everything. Here, X scale and X scale. This figure 1, figure 2. And this one. This is figure 1 and this is figure 2. They are the data points and checking whether it's stuck or not and predict the class labels of a test data and scatter plots, the scatter plot diagrams and checking range. They're giving range at 2 comma 7 and accuracy. Same as accuracy. Notice how many predictions are correct and higher values means better model and matrices is also is matrix like from A learn and matrix report confuse matrix and confuse matrix equal to y equal to test and y predict and show the it will show correct or in and incorrect predictions and helps to analyze. Yeah, I think you can check into the XOR divisions or something like binary values and text movements, repeat process and everything. Repeat again and repeat process like that you can check. CRC is like in transmitted data and this is in receive zero errors and not zero to not error detection. Like zero means no error, correct like correct can take zero to one millions and perform step by steps. But XOR reasons and a reminder which are CSE, CSE are to original data and send to receiver side. So this is the count experiment CRC. Thank you.